teachers dream of improving their financial lives by starting a side hustle. But the sad reality is that many never make even the first step. What if I told you that your lack of capitals is not the reason that you have not started yet? Because there are many businesses that you can start with very little or no capital at all. Yes, it is possible. Today I'm sharing some practical business ideas that you can start right where you are without any capital, but with the knowledge, the skills, and the resources that you already have. If you are ready to stop waiting and start building an extra income for yourself, stay with me to the end. Let us go straight to the first one, which is skill-based teaching. This is perhaps one of the easiest businesses to start because you're only going to use your knowledge, your teaching subjects, or the resources that you already have, which is your teaching subject. This time round, not in the classroom, but outside. There are many people out there who want to learn specific subjects or skills, not to pass exams, but to solve real-life challenges. For example, there are people who want to learn language skills before they travel or relocate. Where I stay, I see people going to learn English, German, French, Kiswahili, and such like languages. So that is a very good business idea. You only need to look around or find out who could be needing such skills. There are people who want to learn simple arithmetic to help manage their businesses. The others want to learn music, dancing, play acting, or writing. Some want computer skills, cooking, public speaking, and many others. Who paid to learn English so that she can preach online with confidence. I also know of a family that hired a teacher to teach their children their mother tongue. The question you need to ask yourself is, what do I know well and who could benefit from it? Your knowledge could become a service, so do not underestimate it. The skills you take for granted could be an opportunity for you to earn income, something that somebody else is willing to pay for. For example, I personally paid to be taught videography. So you don't need a shop or money to earn income. Just look at what you have. The second business idea is private tuition or tutoring. Many learners need extra support and parents are willing to pay for it. For example, there are those who want to be polished just before national exams. There are others who just want to improve their grades. We also have a certain group that need a one-on-one session in order to understand difficult concepts. As a teacher, you already have the knowledge and the teaching skills. All you need to do is to make yourself available out there, and parents or students will look for you. Some of your first clients are just within where you teach. You can start teaching after school or on the weekends, during the holidays, or you can teach online at the comfort of your home. Start with just one learner and build your reputation through quality results. Referrals are going to follow you. Sometimes the income from just one learner could bring a meaningful change into your monthly. The third one is coaching and mentorship. There are many people out there who need guidance. Teachers are not only instructors but also mentors. So you can turn your experience, your knowledge, or your skills into a source of income. You can coach students on how to pass exams or how to manage their time well. If you're in games, you can start coaching a local football team or an athlete somewhere maybe wants to run at international levels. As you grow, slowly you become popular and people start hiring you for those services. Music teachers also need to look around. There could be a choir that is looking for somebody to coach them, or just an individual who likes music and is looking for somebody to coach them on dance moves, how to play music instrument, and many other music skills. All you need to do is to charge a reasonable fee as you build a good reputation and testimonials. Remember that people don't pay only for knowledge. They also pay people to guide them, mentor them, and to journey with them in certain life situations. The fourth one, which is online content creation. A lot of knowledge today is being changed into cash through digital platforms. Teachers are a source of great content. You can teach people online on parenting skills. You can also offer your teaching subjects to learners out there. I know of a teacher who has been teaching logarithms online, and he already has a number of followers. You can also do counseling or even teach people skills such as crocheting, knitting online. The only thing you need is a smartphone. You may not make money immediately, but when you are consistent, you can build an audience that creates an opportunity for you to be seen out there in the digital world, such as YouTube and other social media. If all these are not applicable to you, then the next one could be the option you need. That is event MC and public speaking. Teachers already are gifted with abilities to speak. They are always talking to students, guiding them. They can manage audiences. They organize events in their schools. This is a very good skill that you can make use of in weddings, church or community events. All you need to do is to start volunteering in small events as you build your confidence and reputation. Out there, people need somebody who can speak well. I know of a teacher who started small by volunteering to MC in church events, during fundraisings, during weddings, and before long, he became a go-to person during such events. And as time progressed, it so happened that anybody who needed somebody to do such a job, he would be called, and he started charging. With time, he developed it into a big event management. Today, he is very far in life. Here is also another business idea that many teachers really ignore. That is talent-based business. Every teacher has a talent beyond teaching. For example, some can sing, dance, paint, draw, and many others. There are those who can play certain games exceptionally well. Such talents do not need to be limited just to the classroom or go into waste. I know of a teacher who performs in a nearby club every weekend, and another one who composes songs for popular musicians. There are those I see being employed play musical instruments for churches. And I said in another video of a teacher who has been employed to be coaching a local church in my area twice in a week. Never ignore your talent. What comes to you naturally could be something that somebody else is willing to pay for. The last one, which also many teachers ignore, is parenting and life skills education. Teachers spend time understanding learners in terms of their behaviors, challenges, learning skills, and many other issues. This knowledge is very valuable to many parents out there, and a number of them are willing to pay for it. So you can start a consultancy firm whereby parents who want to be guided on how to help their children can consult you at a fee. You can teach them on parents-children relationship, how to supervise their children's academic performance, how to discipline issues at home, and many others. This is a unique idea where every teacher has an advantage of. As you have seen, you do not always need money to start an extra. In many cases, what you already have, that is your skills, your experience, and talents, is what you just need to get started. If this video has inspired you, give it a like and leave a comment. Also, remember to subscribe and share it to as many teachers as possible so that the message can reach them. See you in the next one.